Dali na, let's go.
Mauna kami naman. Hindi kayo dito magkasya.
Girl lang. Bless ka kayo nila.
For participating in it. Thank you so much. And claim the prize, sir. Wow, thank you so much. Congratulations. Alright, and now, okay, favorite memories. Alright, and before we...
Para video.
Mahal ko sa'yo ay umaabaw.
Marami na video yan ako sa hindi ko. Oh my God. Margaret, where are we going? We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Yan, ang ano na gamit. Sobrang daming gamit. Try ko muna siyang ipa-milk. Milk? Ayaw pa. Are you excited, my love? Mag-go sa beach? I think si mommy ang excited for you. Kasi makaplay ka na sa sand. Kaya 1 year old ka na. My love. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. So, ganito guys. Pag mag-beach kami or may lakad kami, ganito kadami ang dala namin. Hindi ko alam paano mag-travel light and hindi ko talaga alam. Basta feeling ko lahat kailangan ni Margaret dapat dala. Yes, no? Tiring but worth it. No, my love, tiring but worth it. Kikasama ko si aking Margaret. Oy, what are you doing? You like it? You like it? Hmm? I love you. Guys, on our way to Gumansa. So we are here na sa beach. Yan! Wow!
Naman, uy! Bakit siya?
Here's our food.
Buang ka. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oo. Kanina. Giputol ko pag yun.
Bawal yan! Bawal yan! Makapanungot yan! Bawal yan! Bawal, di ba? Bakit magalit?
Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Kiss baby.
Uy, pwede na siya maligo, Daddy! What's up? What's up? Gani.
Birds are flying! Hi!
Hello!
Hello! Hello, Marga!
Mainit pa man. Oh, Ate Yana.
Yan, happy birthday! Birthday mo pala ngayon?
Wala ko na yung kanyang swimming. Wow! Si Kuya Tres, oh! Nag-play siya, oh! Sakit din nila. Parang ako ang ganaan maglaro ba? Ano yan? Hindi na daw yan pang matanda. Sige! Sige! Mika!
Yoy, tito!
Sister! I look like shit. Hindi ka sure. Hindi ka sure, Nick. Toby! Hi, Tom. Hello. Be nice. Joke. Uy, oh, may ice cream, oh. Hala, may ari nakatingin.
Can I borrow, Tres?
Yes.
Ay, naka-scotch tape.
Don't throw sand! Don't throw sand! Ay! For this flying! Gosh! Kuya, come here!
Flying.
Today we choose
Ang sarap na! Parang masakit na likod ko ang Ang sarap, ang sarap. Masarap.
ang ano?
Yung belly tsaka yung swordfish tsaka siyempre yung red label ni Tito Ted. Hi Ian, happy birthday and happy wedding anniversary to you both, Tifa and Ian. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Kuya, wala dyan nininig ka, oy!
Hi, good morning.
Yay!
Oh, we have salted egg.
Yes, we have salted eggs. And bulad! All-time Filipino favorite. Corned beef. Mamaya na lang, kaya madami man tayong pang breakfast na food. Our breakfast.
Dala na kayo.
Ayan.
Katulugan pa ko na.
Preparing to go home na kami. Si Margaret is sleeping pa. She's taking her nap. Ayan. Look at the beach. There.
Kisa.
Hello! Hi!
Hello.
Siguro maabot sa iyong
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Cause she'll break your heart. Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it.